Hello everyone. A very good afternoon to all my dears. How are you? All are fine. I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online studies as well as complete your notebooks and see videos on time. So now it's time for revision and we have done 5 questions in your revision. Which questions are there? First is numbers from 1 to 50, then count and circle, count and write the numbers, missing numbers and number names. Number names from 1 to 10. Now we will start after numbers. So are you ready for this? So revision of after numbers is your question number 6. Write your heading after numbers. After numbers. Full stop. We have to practice of after numbers. So write down the heading after numbers. After numbers. Number 1 is what is after number of 2? Start counting and tell me the answer. Yes. 1, 2, 3. What is the after number of 2? Is 3. Write here 3. Next is 15. Now what is the after number of 15? Start counting and tell me the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the after number of 15? Is 1, 6, 16. Next is 10. What is the after number of 10? Start revision. Revise counting from 1 and tell me the answer. Next 3 is here. 12. What is the after number of 12? Complete this. 6. What is the after number of 6? And 19. 19. What is the after number of 19? Tell me the answers and complete the box. What is the after number of 10, 12, 6 and 19? Complete and write the after numbers. Yes, so complete it. What is the after number of number 10? Is 1, 1, 11. Complete and correct your answers. 12. What is the after number of 12? Is 1, 3, 13. After number of 6 is 7. After of 19 is 2, 0, 20. So these are the answers. 2 after 3, 15 after 16, 10 after 11, 12 after 13, 6 after 7 and 19 after 20. These are the after numbers. So you keep practice for after numbers and complete it in your math notebook. Then start before number. This is question number 7. After numbers is number 6 and write question number 7 is before number. After number means बाद में आने वाला and before number is पहले आने वाले numbers. Write here before numbers. B E F O before numbers. How to write before numbers? What is the before number of number 3? Start the counting. 1, 2, 3. What is the before number of 3? Is number 2. Start counting and check the before numbers. I am right here 18. What is the before number of 18? Start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What is the after number of 18? Is 1, 7. So like this you start counting and write the before numbers. I am giving you some examples are there, so you write it. What is the before number of number 13? What is the before number of number 7? What is the before number of number 2020? And what is the before number of 11? Complete it. Write the before numbers of the given numbers is 7, 2020 and 1111. Note down all the numbers. Do fast all the before numbers, then write next question. It is the question number 7. Sixth number is after number, 7 number is before number. Note down all the before number and write the answers. So I am writing the answers. What are the answers? What is the before number of 1, 3, 30? Is 1 to 12. Correct? Then move to the next. What is the before number of number 7? Is number 6. Before number of 20 is 19. And before number of 11 is 1, 0, 10. These are the before number. Okay, note down all the answers. Is 2, 3, 17, 18, 12, 13, 6, 7, 19, 20 and 10, 11. Check the answers and note down in your math notebook. And heading is revision. Revision of before numbers. After 7, write down numbers 8 is between numbers. First you complete this, then write down the next heading is question number 8, between numbers. Question 8 is between numbers. Write it fast. The heading is between number and start the examples. Done. Now example number 1 is 4 block 6. Now what is the between number of number 4 and number 6? Start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So between number of 4 and 6 is number 5. 4, 5, 6. Next is 13 and 15. This is your example. Now what is the between number of 13 and 15? Start counting from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So between number of 13 and 15 is 1, 4, 14. Start counting, check your answer and write it down. Now I am giving you examples. Next line. Complete all the between number. Write down between numbers. Here is 12 and here is 14. Too fast. Is the question number 8, between numbers. fast and complete all the answers. Is question number 1 is 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 7, 9, 11, 13, 6, 8, 3, 5, 12, 14 and 19, 20, 21. So write the between numbers for all the examples. Okay, so I am write the answers and you check your answers and correct it. This number 3 is 7. What is the between number of 7 and 9 is 8. 7, 8, 9. Next is 1, 1, 11. What is the between number of 11 and 13? Is number 1 to 12. 11, 12, 13. Next is 6. What is the between number of 6 and 8? Is number 7. Next 3, 5. What is the between number of 3 and 5? Is 3, 4, 5. Next is 12. What is the between number of 12 and 14? Can you see the 14? So between number of 12 and 14 is 1, 3, 13. And at last 19. What is the between number of 19 and 21? Is 2, 0, 20. So done with between numbers. So let us practice for between numbers for your exam is 4, 5, 6, 13, 14, 15, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 6, 7, 8, 3, 4, 5, 12, 13, 14 and 19, 20, 21. Is this clear? Between numbers? Very nice. So you do practice for after numbers, before numbers and between numbers. It is your syllabus, your annual exam syllabus. So do practice for this afters, before and between. Okay, complete it fast. Write down the answers. Write down the answers and check your answers. If you are correct, and if you are wrong, use your eraser and correct it. So now we have done 8 questions. Is count and add, count and write, count and add and count and circle. Numbers from 1 to 50, missing numbers, number names from 1 to 10, after numbers, before numbers and between numbers. 8 questions are done and next question we have done in your next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day and do practice for your annual exam. Bye.